Look. Oh! He's in. Hi, little fella. I'm naming my new pet bird, Pinky. 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 Where's it? It's gone. Oh. My God. There's a lot of birds inside anyway. No. Well, just went in there. That's not really a great place. Just like a birdie. Oh my God. I never seen that bird anywhere. This is like 1 in a million chances of finding a bird in your house. If you want to watch the full video, if you want to see the YouTube video I posted, go on my YouTube channel, like and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I'm posting. Oh my God. A baby bird, The baby bird is in there. Oh my God, it's crazy. I have never seen that one in my life. Like, very rarely. Never seen that one in my life. So, this is gonna end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. You know, I'm not gonna do that. That's just stupid. If I actually did that, I'm gonna be stupid. Alright, bye.